Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, nice to meet ya. My name is Angie / Colombian Catfish. Ya tu sabes, regular. Be a part of our fam if you're new here. Subscribe, you know. Be a part of # Colombian Catfish crew. I'm trying to get that popping. And I know some of you try to help me get that popping, so let's get it popping. But besides that, this is the video I brought you. I don't know why I said this because I haven't told you. But I brought you a video, a quick little tutorial on a wing liner, how to do it, the process in which I do it, how long it takes me. You're gonna see in real time because I'm not gonna speed it up, honestly. If anything, I'll cut out little bloopers, you know. That's about it. It's literally just a wing tutorial, so if you guys need to learn it, if it's helpful for you. What else? I hope you guys like my backdrop, right? It's glittery, like it's mad sparkly, and I love like the iridescence to it. Huh? See, I'm trying to figure it out, y'all. Trying to figure it out. The audio situation is gonna get better. It's gonna get better. You see, like you probably hear that, but I live in a building. We don't got houses out here, you know. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoy the little things I'm doing to get you guys going, you know. That's it. It's gonna be a quick video, hopefully. Let me know if you like it. Thumbs it up if you do. That way I know what content to bring you guys. Comment anything you guys want me to do. That would be super helpful. Sometimes it's hard to find the inspirations, you know. So comment, and I'd love to meet you guys. And that's about it. Follow me again on Instagram because I'm super active there when I'm not active here, since I only post once a week. My Instagram is Angie, A-N-G-I-E, Angie_S.P. Right? Yeah, it's Angie_S.P. Follow me. I'll be there every day. Talk to me. Let me know. If you follow me on Instagram, let me know. Hit me up like # Colombian Catfish crew. I'll probably die of excitement that day. So let me know. Besides that, again, like it, comment, subscribe, and as always, guys, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and that's how we're gonna get it poppin'. So without further ado, here's the video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I will definitely see you next week. Happy holidays. Take care. Okay, guys, so this is the base that we're starting off with. Our foundation done, our blush, our concealer, our eyebrows, everything pretty much done. We're just gonna go into the liner. I'm gonna teach you pretty much like a medium wing. It's not gonna be a small wing or a big wing. It's a pretty, for me, it's an everyday wing. This is what I wear. I'll literally do this face. It's just I put bronzer in my crease. That's about it. And then I'll do my liner, my actual eyelashes, and that's about it. So let's go into this. The process in which I do this is, and I use this So Fine by Tarte, which is super fine. So it's a tip like that, super fine. Lets you go into your tear duct and like really slay it. So the process in which I do this, before I lean into you guys, is first I lay down the line, like the end to my wing, and then at the tip I bring it in. You guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. So you're gonna start in your outer corner right there in the middle of your eye, and you're just gonna go up until you're happy with the length. That's about where I like it for that medium wing I told you guys about, and then I'll extend it if I want to later on. So now I put the tip of my liner to the tip of the wing and I drag it in. So that's that one motion, and then from the inner tear duct to connect it to this line right here. And this is your wing base, right? Again, I like a medium wing, but let's say you wanted it bigger, whatever it might be, you could just drag it out from there. So now from here, you're gonna fill it in, making sure that you get as close to your lash line as possible. So if you decide to do falsies, you won't see the band or the glue. And then in general, you just want to be able to not see your skin. YouTube is fine. And that's about it. So now you have your medium wing. This one is not gonna come out even close to that one because this is better than I've ever done. It's just because I'm performing for you guys. Honestly, I've never done a wing that good. Pero okay. So I'm gonna try to do the next one for you guys. Give me a second. So we're gonna go on to our next one and then hope they're even related. So let's do it. Again, laying down your wing first, the end of your wing, and then going back up, right? This time you're gonna be looking at both at the same time to make sure you kind of get the same length. That's what I'm gonna work with for now. I feel like it's a little shorter, but I'm gonna fix it when I go in just because I don't wanna overdo it right now. So same thing from the corner inwards until you can, and then we'll connect them. So that's half, then the inner corner inward. And then you have your base again. Then I'll fill it in first, and then I'm gonna fix it to try to match it up as close as possible. Same thing that we did before. As close to the lash line as possible. You guys are really close and personal this video, so you know, bear with me. And I don't like seeing any skin showing, so I'll just like press it in there. And wing. Now you gauge it, and this one is a little duller, so we're gonna make it sharper to match this one. You have to be very, very, very light-handed before you end up like a raccoon or like a really thick wing. You're just gonna use the tiniest point of that to just flick it out a little. This one I noticed I went a little lower, so I'm just gonna fix it compared to this one a little bit. That's it. Checking it now. Let me show you guys, and let me zoom back out a bit and make sure you see my whole everything. So this is the wings, right? This is our first one. Our second one, it came out pretty good. Honestly, just for you guys. We just did it for you guys. It never comes out this similar. But again, what you use is super, super important. For example, if I use something like my Wet n Wild Megaglo, the tip on it is better to fill in things. Like if I wanted to fill in my wing for some reason with this, I would. But it's like very flimsy. I mean, I love it. For the price, I love it. Shout out to Wet n Wild. But it's not sturdy enough for me to be able to put a wing down, you know, successfully. felt tip liner is too thick. So just feel your way around what works for you, like product wise. This I'll super recommend to any of you guys. I believe it's about $30, but it lasts me. I've restocked once this year. That's about it. What else? If you mess up and you don't want to undo your eye and go through all that, you could try to get concealer and then try to sharpen it and make it thinner if it's not that bad. What other little tips and tricks? That's about it. Practice when you're home. Practice when you're not gonna be seeing nobody. It took me, I've been doing my eyeliner since 6th grade. I don't know. My dad wanted to kill me. 7th grade. I think it was 7th grade. I've been doing literally just this eyeliner. And then that was it. Literally, I wouldn't do my lashes, anything. So it takes a lot of practice. Again, the products you use will save you, make or break you. And good luck if you guys try my way, because I haven't really seen people do it my way. I used to Google it so much and YouTube it to try to learn. And a lot of people just start from the inner corner out and then connect it. And I think that's a little backwards because your base, like your foundation, is the wing itself. But you know, to each its own. So try it out. Let me know how it works. If it works, if you buy this, let me know if you liked it. All that kind of stuff. Besides that, I think you guys are good. This was a quick little video just for you guys. Oh, and this is temporary. If you guys were gonna ask, this is temporary, so don't worry about it. It's just some art on my body. What else? That's about it. So thank you again, guys, for everything. I will have my lashes and my lip gloss popping in the intro, so you would have seen that already. Cool. But as always, thank you guys so much for everything, all the support, all that mushy stuff. You guys know I love you, and I hope you liked it. Quick little easy tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, and that's how we gonna get it popping. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.